Welcome to the Bininsen video class. My name is James, and today I will be looking at a Bible story about a man named Joseph. Now, as I tell you the story, I will be showing you lots of pictures and lots of words. So what I'm going to do first is make my picture look smaller and put it in the corner of the screen. There we go. That's better. Now, let's look at the story of Joseph. These are pictures from Egypt. There was once a time when there were many Israelites living there. Who are the Israelites? Israel is the name of a person. His name was not always Israel. First, his name was Jacob. Then Elohim changed his name to Israel. You know Adam and Eve, the first man and woman who Elohim created. Here is the family line, showing the line from Adam and Eve through to Jacob and his family. Israel is the name of a country. Let's see where it is. Okay, so here is Japan, where you live. Now, if you want to go from Japan to Israel, you need to go in an aeroplane because it's a long way. So if you leave Tokyo, you would fly over South Korea, you would fly over China, you would fly over the Middle East here, and eventually you would find this small country here called Israel. We can't see it very well, can we? Shall we get a little bit closer? There we go. There's Israel. And the border starts in the north here, and it runs down the east coast here. And then from here, the south border goes up there to the sea, and the west border is along the coast. It's not a very big country, actually. In the north, you have the city of Haifa. In the south, you have the city of Eilat. And in the middle, you have a very important city, the holy city, Jerusalem. Now, part of our story with Jacob is in Egypt. And as you can see, Egypt is a very big country. Let's move out just a little bit more. There we go. Look how big Egypt is. It's very big. And Cairo here is the capital city. So, why is this country called Israel? Because this is the country where Israelites were born. Why then did so many Israelites live in Egypt? It's because of Joseph, son of Jacob. He was born into a big family. Jacob, Joseph's father, had 12 sons and many daughters. Joseph was the 11th son. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. He had only one younger brother, Benjamin. Jacob loved Joseph so much that Joseph's 10 big brothers were very jealous. Do you know what they did? They did a very bad thing. Ooh dear. They sold Joseph as a slave to a country far away from his family. Egypt. Do you know what slaves are? We are humans. All humans are equal and Elohim loves us all. But there are some humans who were treated like animals. They were forced to work like horses, dogs, or cows. If they didn't, they were beaten. Ow! Slavery is a bad thing. Joseph was taken to Egypt and forced to work as a slave. He was chained and beaten. Ow! But Elohim helped poor Joseph, and in the end he became the most important person to the king and the second most important person in all of Egypt. He became very rich. To make a long story short, he made peace with his brothers and invited his family to live in Egypt. Joseph forgave his brothers. Joseph made his family very happy and very rich. Thank you for joining our Bininsen class. I look forward to seeing you in our next video class. My name is James. Goodbye.